In this episode of Sailing Doodles, Laura gets a sunburn, and we explore a unique Thai village over the water. I'd like to thank Group Island Spirit for this next series of videos. They supplied the boats we are sailing in the flotilla. Island Spirit is a yacht manufacturer and charter company, and they have some amazing destinations with over 40 boats in Thailand in both the Gulf side and the Phuket area. They manufacture the Island Spirit 410, which is a 41-foot catamaran with 4 cabins and 2 heads and an open salon area. So if you're interested in buying an Island Spirit or chartering with them, visit groupislandspirit.com. We had spent the night anchored off the Soniva Kiri Resort, which is one of the most expensive resorts I've ever heard of, at $1,600 a night for your basic room. It is a really beautiful place with a friendly staff that even gave us free ice, but way out of my price range. That morning we headed south to do some exploring at the Captain Hook Resort. Alright, a nice night anchored outside the 6-star resort. We're at $1,600 a night for the cheapest room. But we got a better view, honestly, because we got the sunset. So, boo-boo. So we are gonna head out and go down to Captain Hook's Resort, get some pool time and hang out on the river, get some lunch there and all that.
Pool time and pina coladas, baby.
That's right, she's driving today, so what happened? What is all this?
It's a wound. Somebody was bleeding.
It was only a mile south, so it didn't take us long to get ashore. Cheers, guys. Another day in paradise. Not a bad view for lunch.
Here, 30.
All right, cruising down the river here, the tidal river. Wind out of the west picked up, so we decided to move to the east side of the island. She got a little sunburn today, so.
Jobs of the boyfriend. Get this one too.
She got pretty burned there. Look at that. I mean, easy, nipper. There you go.
Call me Nippy.
Little aloe vera.
It rubs the lotion on. Where's the bucket, babe?
It was about 5 miles around to Koh Salad.
Dropping the kids off to school. Life has just been passing by. I've been doing the best I can, but it's a pretty neat sunrise, a little brighter shade of blue, and there's 2 cups of coffee.
Laura dropped the anchor and we were all set. Koh Salad is an authentic Thai fishing village built over the water. There are some homestays and a few tourist attractions there, but really not too many. Most of the inhabitants earn their living related to the fishing industry.
You're gonna take me to the temple.
That's right, I'm taking her to the big giant Buddha on the hill temple. We're all gonna go ashore. It's a little fishing village. It's kind of like not too touristy, we think, so it'd be nice kind of seeing it.
It's kind of an overwater village.
Yeah.
Those are always fun.
Yeah. Laura, you can get a job at the hospital ship.
That's my dream.
So now we gotta use this little ladder, I think, hopefully tie on and get up.
All right.
So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything.
So this whole, everything's built on stilts out over the water. There's everything you would want. There's restaurants, there's shops, little hotels and stuff out over the water. Not really sure why they do it. Maybe to avoid taxes or something because they don't own property. I don't know. Not sure exactly why, but it's kind of cool. This is more of a local one.
That face of it.
Yeah. And art. Yeah, I love that.
I'm just curious. When did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow.
So you can rent these little scooters for like $8, $9 a day. It's kind of cool.
Zip around.
Yeah. I wouldn't do it in like the mainland of, well, I mean, we did it in Chiang Mai.
Because there was limited traffic.
Yeah.
In the places we chose.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. There we go. But I wouldn't necessarily want to ride around in Bangkok on a scooter. That's just suicide right there. I was last year and a half ago, and it really doesn't look any different. They're still building it. Pretty much all the same, maybe even.
Is that real?
Yeah, so the guy's been sitting there for like, he has to, like it's a way they do it. They have to sit there for 24 hours and just meditate.
Babe, I don't think that's a real person.
What? The guy right there.
He's not blinking.
It's like that thing at,
He's
know,
not
in
sweating, first of all.
Buckingham Palace, you got the guards. He just sits there and doesn't move.
Well, why are you disturbing him?
I'm not disturbing him, you're disturbing him. See, he's real.
He's not sweating.
Next to me, everything feels like yeah.
Alright, so the way this works here is you got this, hold this, and kind of, no, just hold the whole thing. Now kind of shake it and lean it over until only one falls out.
Yeah, like that.
There you go, keep going.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, the first one was right there.
Button.
Oh wow, she got number 1 also.
Uh-oh.
So
now what
that's
happens?
your fortune. Pick it up
Number 1.
and
Read
read
it.
number 1,
Okay.
and that's your fortune.
No, those are.
Yeah. No one fell. So you got
Wishes
2.
will. You want to zoom
Go
in on
ahead.
it? Wishes will soon be fulfilled. Support received. Plans accomplished. Better not rush. Family enjoyable. Patient recovering. Lost persons will be found. Good luck's gradually approaching. Discover mate who would become good match.
But you
A
also,
mate,
but you
baby.
also got number 7. It says no sorrow. Okay.
Oh, you
there
thought
go.
you said sorrow?
Good luck approaching.
Okay.
Yeah.
No sorrow. Family and friends are enjoyable, but yourself
Seems
happily restless.
Oh.
No.
Recommend making some ments and donations. Get rid of greed, and you shall gain peace of mind. Good luck approaching. Lost items recovered. Affectionate, loving care interchanged. Patient recovering. Other matters also good in general.
That's good.
I'm restless?
Not you, no.
What?
Yeah, her. Yeah, right. Couldn't imagine. I mean, they got in some pretty rough weather in these little fishing boats, and they're tiny, and they got like car motors in them. I wouldn't really. That'd be pretty rough. It's not very big either.
How far do you think they go?
I don't know. They go out pretty far. I mean, I've seen them maybe not that small out in the middle of the ocean, like 30, 40 miles offshore. But
Solar panels, it's totally equipped.
yeah, you got solar panels. Yeah, but often they don't have any lights, or maybe just one little flashing light, like you can see on this one here. You know, they don't have any red and green or indicate. You just have a flashing light, so you don't know which way they're heading tonight. You just gotta watch them. So. Yeah, that's what's pulling up the nets right there, and they got some kind of machine there and a transmission. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that thing is
High tech.
that's some engineering right there. Ramani, how much is a room here?
I don't know. I have no idea because the first time I come here.
Okay,
First time.
probably not so much.
ต่อห้องมาดูห้อง one room 1,000 baht
1,000 baht. Okay.
เอามาเสริมแล้วก็เพิ่มตามราคา
if you want
Yeah.
ดูห้องก่อน
So you get a room. Oh wow. Okay. So it's just a little hotel room.
Much different than those fishing
ก็
boats.
เขา
You get your own
มาพัก
bathroom?
ที่นี่ติดใจ
Yeah.
ค่ะ
Cool.
3 คนก็ 1,500
อ๋อ three person is
2 คน
it mean about one person is 500
500 baht. Okay.
if you
for one person.
if you come
มีอา
three
หารเช้า
person
ให้
1,500 baht
Okay. So it's 500 baht per person.
มีอาหารเช้าให้
but
ต้องไปอะไร
they have a coffee breakfast
Coffee and breakfast included for 500 baht a person. So it's like $15 a person per night. You know, I bet you if you do a oh wow, they have like a little outdoor stereo and everything.
You could probably do some serious entertaining here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You got your little stereo there and all that.
Have a legit Thai wedding.
Yeah.
All your guests can stay.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually
It's a really good idea.
very friendly, people, cool spot. It'd be fun to bring a big group of people. 500 baht a person, stay the night, and food and all that they do. It's pretty cool. Hang out on the water. It's pretty cool and rustic spot. Most of the dock's concrete. Over here, it's all wood, and it's a little old and rickety.
It's like walking the plank.
Yeah, I feel like I could fall through.
It's Pirate Town, right?
Yeah.
This is fitting.
Yeah.
Hello.
There you go.
Aren't you pretty? Got a little tail. Oh, your dad. Oh,
Hey, Kapkun Kap. Kapkun Kap.
Bucky. Oh, so cute. Looks so excited.
Yeah, I wonder how many like gringos
wonder
rent
if these
scooters. Yeah, they woof
scooters
off
are
into
in
the
the
water.
water.
Well, I'm sure they pull them up. They would definitely pull them up and they can fix them. It's just it'd be
Yeah, I
embarrassing.
mean, it's not that deep.
No, I mean they'd pull it up and fix it. It's just they wouldn't let it go to waste.
No.
Oh, you buying stuff for lunch or what are you buying?
I buy for life
Buying some crab.
it's a fresh just come out the sea
Yeah.
and they cook for you too
Ah, okay. Are you taking this back to cook or?
no they cook
They
and
cook
just
now.
take
Oh, okay.
เท่าไหร่คะ
It can get a little smelly with this stuff out drying in the sun, but you know. After exploring, it was back to the boat, pull up the anchor, and head out. If you would like access to exclusive patron-only videos, please consider becoming a patron.
Don't say that in prison.